Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 27-inch MAG 27CCX curved gaming LCD. So friend, MSI unveiled MAG 27CCX, a 27-inch curved gaming LCD display that boasts a full HD resolution and a high refresh rate of 250 Hz. And friend, the display utilizes a VA panel with a 1500R curvature designed to enhance the visual experience for gaming, and it is equipped with several features aimed at optimizing performance and user comfort, and these include AI vision for automatic brightness adjustment, console mode optimized for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series, and less blue light technology to reduce blue light emissions. The display presents an impressive color spectrum with an Adobe RGB coverage of 80%, DCI-P3 77%, and sRGB 99%, supporting approximately 1.07 billion colors. Technical specifications include a 1 millisecond response time, contrast ratio of 3000 1, wide viewing angle of 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically. Connectivity option comprise DisplayPort 1.2a to HDMI 2.0b port and headphone output. The stand offers tilt adjustment from -5 to 20 degree and supports standard VESA mount 100 by 100. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.